Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to KICKnology. I'm your boy Truth, and today we're gonna be unboxing a sneaker that, you know what? I'm gonna call it for what it is, and I can't believe I'm saying this. This thing was a duck, a brick, a flop. And we're gonna talk about why that happened, man. But before we get up into this content, man, make sure you guys do what you always do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If this is your first time rocking with your boy, I appreciate you for stopping by. Just to kind of get this conversation going, get some engagement going with you guys. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I drop any video or do any live. So you can stay in tune with exactly what I'm doing. Make sure you head over to IG, follow your boy at KICKnology on IG. Now that all that's out of the way, let's get this intro going and let's get up into this unboxing.
No synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got crew, never slack on the brew. For OGs and the youth, you can kick it with us too. KICKnology.
So of course, I gotta get a shout out to the plug at D Reed's Heat. Her link will be down in my description section, man. If you ain't tapped into her trying to get your shoes secured, man, you know, so you can just kind of lay back and relax and she's sending the shoes, you're missing out. You feel what I'm saying? So make sure you go ahead and tap into her down in my description section. Yeah, hit her up, man, so she can get you locked in on some shoes. It's hard enough out here trying to get these shoes, the draws and stuff like that, backdooring, whatever situation may be. So sometimes you gotta pay a little bit extra to make sure you get the sneaker. But yeah, man, tap into my girl at D Reed's Heat. Tell her KICKnology sent you guys. So yeah, today we will be unboxing a shoe that, as you guys can see right here, y'all already see what it is. So it's gonna be a Jordan 6. This is a shoe that a lot of people were highly anticipating, in my opinion, at first. And then when they kind of surfaced and they dropped, people were just like, you know what, I'm cool. And there's some reasons why I believe that is. And we're going to go ahead and unbox them, and then I'll get off into those reasons. But as you guys can see right here, we got that black and red Jordan 6 box. You see that elephant print, cement print, whatever down here. We're going to open this thing up. Let me get right here. And we're going to peel back the paper. And we do have the Air Jordan 6 electric green. Very nice shoe in my opinion. No Nike branding on the booty, so you see that Jumpman logo, so people are kind of tripping about that. You see that, man, good quality. Kind of remind me of the infrared 6s that dropped a few years back. Not the ones that the ones that was more pinkish instead of the red, true to red color. But yeah, reminds me of those. So let's go ahead and get this other one out the box. Let's go ahead and take a close look at these shoes real quick. You guys see right here, we have the predominantly black upper. You have the Air Jumpman logo. Like I said, in the back, you have the electric green on the pull tab. You have the electric green Jumpman logo right there. And then with the lace lock on the outside, right above the Air unit, you do have these kind of like mountains, the electric greens right there. You have that gummy kind of off-white outsole with the electric green on the bottom. One of the biggest killers on this sneaker, in my opinion, was when they took away the glow bottom, which would have made these things pop, but they're on the grade school, which I don't understand why they did that. You know, it was just kind of like when you have these in the bottom glow, it's just kind of one of those things that they could have, if they would have hit us with that glow bottom, it would have gave us that more premium look. You know, that premium feel like we were paying for something. And that's what people want sometimes. They just want a little bit of premium. Give us this glow bottom on this one. And would have, I feel like these things would have sold a little bit better. But even outside of that, the biggest thing to me with this sneaker is the timing. I just feel like it dropped during the time where everybody is trying to save up a little bit of extra money. In the month of June, we've been really trying to recoup from all the other months of heat that we have dropping. And we have so much heat dropping the next month to the point where I feel like that they feel like if you really want this sneaker, you can go back and touch this one eventually. Something you can add to your collection. Now, do I think this sneaker will actually go up in price later on? I don't know. I can't see it going no more than $220. Let's look at the resale price right now. Right now, the resale is looking at right around $226. So just a little bit more than retail. Do I think it's gonna go up more than that? Possibly max $250 later on down the line. But it will take some time for this shoe to go up. If it's something that you like, by all means, go ahead and get it, rock it. But is this shoe a necessity, in my opinion? I don't think so. But I do like it. I feel like the green pops. I feel like it's an eye-catching shoe, but they kept it simple with the all-black upper. You just can't go wrong with it. But if it did have that glow bottom on it, I feel like this sneaker would have been an absolute banger. So the grade schools, for a change, they outdid the adults. You feel what I'm saying? So when we been talking about bricks lately, it's been hit or miss with all the releases. So you know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys check out my review on the Air Jordan 1 light red fusions. These things are also sitting at places. Is this going to be a type of turbo green type thing? I will be doing a follow-up video also on my thoughts and opinions on where I think this shoe at will be a year from now, 6 months from now, so on and so forth. So make sure you guys tap into that. Link is right here to check out this full review on these. Guys, let me know down in the comment section, what do you feel about these things? Did you get them? Is this something that you're gonna do a reach back on? What are your thoughts? Do you think this shoe will eventually go up in price? I would love to hear what you have to say. I appreciate you guys always for another unboxing. Shout out to D-Reed's Heat for always hooking up your boy, throwing your boy that assist. I appreciate you. Love you, sis. Make sure you guys tap into her. I appreciate you. Hit that like button on your way out. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, these shoes behind me, this sneaker right here, they're just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
I don't sell no dope. Brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on me, tell no joke.